Alright guys, I figured I'd go ahead and give you all a quick break from me tearing the engine apart from everything and give you all a quick treat, including I wanted to see it myself. So let me show you real quick what the turbos look like in this engine real quick. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Danny here. If you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you all remember last video I had done, I had removed the entire AC unit out of the truck. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and take care of this whole entire front. We're going to try to go for the valve covers, take those out, and pretty much just move and get some stuff squared away. So get to the intake manifold, see if we can remove that so we can get that covered up, and then yeah, stick around. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the new video quality. It's taken me forever to get this far, so but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I was struggling with the fuel line, trying to disconnect it. All the pieces that I have up there did not want to work, and I couldn't find the other disconnection pieces. So what I did was, my grandfather years ago was a Russian engineer, and then when he came into America legally, and like I said, legally, he earned his keep and stuff, and he learned a lot and also showed a lot. And one of the things that he definitely taught me was, on your battery, when you first buy your battery, it comes with this little red tab on the positive terminal. Keep this, because it does come in handy, that's for sure. What I did was I cut the complete top end of this, and it was enough to slide and bend in. If you can see, it can actually slide the way you want, and it's thick enough to where you can push just a little bit on the fuel line and then basically squeeze these two together, the fuel line and these two together, and then basically while you're squeezing the fuel line in with this, you're pulling the fuel line on. It'll just pop right out, and it's pretty interesting. My grandfather back in the day taught me this, so, and now I am showing you all. It can be done on any vehicle, so wow, look how clean that is, man. Alright, so we've got the valve covers off, we've got the intake manifold off. Got everything covered for the intake manifold. Now, if you see the blue stickers that I have on the spark plug wires, I basically just labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm done, I can just put everything back where I have them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So But if you look at these roller rockers, they look pretty damn clean. Look at how clean they are. Those are nice looking. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to, actually, you know what, guys? I think what we're going to do is, since these look really, really nice, including the valve springs, I mean, they do not look bad at all. They look extremely clean. I think we're going to end up doing, instead of ordering brand new roller rockers and valve springs and valves, I think we might just go ahead and use these and transfer them over to the new ones that we just ported. So yeah, that saves me a whole bunch of money, because they look in excellent condition, So it's getting pretty late right now, so what I'm going to do is I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, I figured I'd go ahead and give you all a quick break from me tearing the engine apart from everything, and give you all a quick treat, including I wanted to see it myself. So let me show you real quick what the turbos look like in this engine real quick. Just a quick taste, guys, so stick around. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you're interested in following the build, definitely smash those post notifications, and give the video a thumbs up if you like them. But I've got to actually run out, guys, to take care of a few things. So in next video, I will have already taken the timing chain cover off. I still need to run out. I gotta go get a harmonic balancer pulley and stuff like that. That's where I have to actually go round out and get real quick, because I don't have one in hand. But yeah, I'll have the cylinder heads completely off, but I will make sure that before we reinstall everything, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to install everything again. I also did a small little box here, so that there I have the passenger from the front all the way to the back, driver front to all the way to the back, so that there I have everything in order to put it on the ported cylinder heads. Alright? But please, guys, my goals, again, the goals here are to try to get up to 1,000 subscribers. So if you are new to the channel, hello, nice to meet you. Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny B. This is my 99 Dodge Durango, and we're doing some crazy stuff to it. There are a few things that we are going to be modifying as well that aren't included in the kit. So, alright? Stay tuned next video. I will talk to you all later. Be safe. Oh, and do me a huge favor, okay? Press that subscribe button down at the bottom. Get me up to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Alright? And again, love, peace, and Mopar grease.